How to fix Omegle error connecting to server on Windows and Mac. 1. Restart router. 2. Reboot your computer. Then check Omegle servers. 3. Check and improve. Your internet connection, if possible. 4. Clear caches and cookies in browser. 5. Flush DNS/reset network configuration. 5.1. For Windows users, run these commands as admin. IP protocol configuration/flushdns IP protocol configuration/registerdns IP protocol configuration/release IP protocol configuration/renew 5.2. For Mac OS viewers, run these lines in terminal. Montetri version, sudo tscotchi util flush cache and sudo killal hupm DNS responder. Big Sur 1.2.0, sudo tscotchi util flush cache and sudo killal hupm DNS responder. Catalina 10.15.0, sudo killal hupm DNS responder. Mojave 10.14.0, sudo killal hupm DNS responder. High Sierra 10.13.0, sudo killal hupm DNS responder. Sierra 10.12.0, sudo killal hupm DNS responder. 6. Disable Windows Defender/antivirus software. 7. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide.